Scene script. Every minute, the equivalent of one garbage truck of plastic dumps into our oceans. This startling fact highlights an unseen, sprawling canvas of pollution that stretches from the sparkling surfaces of our seas to the deepest, darkest depths of our water bodies. Imagine a world where crystal-clear waters turn murky and marine life suffocates under the weight of pollutants. This is not a scene from a dystopian novel. It's the reality of today, a consequence of decades of industrial growth, urban sprawl, and lax environmental policies. Water pollution has escalated dramatically over the years. In the early 1990s, approximately 70% of the industrial waste was dumped untreated into waters where it dissolved toxic substances into the very streams that supply our drinking water. Today, that number has only increased, exacerbated by a global population that continues to grow and consume at unsustainable rates. Consider this: over 80% of the world's wastewater flows back into our ecosystem without being treated or reused. More than 1 million seabirds and 100,000 sea mammals are killed by pollution every year. The contaminants that enter our water systems do not just affect aquatic life. They circle back to us, impacting human health through the foods we eat and the water we drink. The sources of pollution are many: plastics and microplastics, industrial chemicals, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage, to name a few. Each has a role in transforming vibrant rivers, lakes, and oceans into stagnant, toxic entities. However, the narrative does not have to end here. Change begins with awareness and action. Reduce the use of single-use plastics, support and advocate for policies that protect water bodies, engage in community cleanup efforts, and most importantly, educate oneself and others about the sustainable practices that can reverse the tide of pollution. Remember, each small step contributes to a much larger journey towards cleaner, healthier waterways. It is not just about saving the environment. It is about securing a sustainable future for generations to come. The power of change lies in everyday actions. Embrace these practices and watch how even the smallest ripple can make a wave.